Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. It has been a minute. It is about time that I share with you guys another one of these videos because I feel like it's been way too long. So if you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I'm a registered dietitian and I share lots of videos here on my channel about just really like practical nutrition and wellness and lifestyle. And I love sharing these What I Eat in a Day videos because you guys love watching these What I Eat in a Day videos. I basically just take my camera around with me throughout the day, show you everything I'm eating. I'm a very big intuitive eater. I've done a lot of content surrounding intuitive eating here on my channel. Very, very passionate about it. So definitely check out, there's like a whole playlist. But if you guys want to see what I'm eating today, let's get started. All right, friends, I'm currently working on cooking up some oatmeal for breakfast. This is for both Hayden and I, and then I'll show you guys what I'm going to top it with. Okay, you guys, so here's my breakfast. Just the oats cooked up with a little pat of butter on top, raisins and cinnamon. It might sound really weird to put butter on oatmeal, but I'm telling you, it's so good. It's just grass-fed butter. It's like the best comfort meal. I love making oatmeal this way in the wintertime. It's just so delicious, and so, like I said, it's like a comfort meal. So that's my breakfast. And then I'll show you Hayden's too. She already started eating it, so some of it's gone. But it's just oatmeal mixed with a little bit of peanut butter and some organic blackberries. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. We actually just got back. We were out of the house for most of the morning. So I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten anything since that oatmeal. Typically these days in the mornings, I have like 2 small meals. I'll do like a smaller meal, like late morning, and then like another one in the afternoon. Just because, I don't know, that's just what I've been doing. Still nursing, so I need like a decent amount of calories, and that just seems the easiest way to do it. But obviously I didn't do that today because we were out of the house. So right now I'm gonna throw together a salad and have that, and then I'll probably end up having something else substantial in like a couple hours, but I'll show you the salad for now. Okay, so here is my salad, which mostly is the famous Costco salad, and by famous I mean because I'm always talking about it on my Instagram. So if you follow me over on there, you already know. It's so good. Okay, Taylor Farms is the brand. They have a few different kinds, but this is the one that I like, the cherry almond blue. And it's a chopped salad, which I don't know why, but chopped salads always taste 10 times better. So it's a bunch of just like lettuce, yeah, as you can see here, kale, cabbage, then it has carrots, cherries, sliced almonds, some fried onions, and blue cheese. And then it comes with this dressing, which I don't use because I'm pretty sure it has, I think it's soybean oil, which I don't love. So I don't use that, but I just made what I like to call my 2-second salad dressing, which is literally just drizzle avocado oil, red wine vinegar, and then I just do salt, pepper, and oregano, and then I just mix it all up. Super easy, tastes good, and this salad is so delicious. Oh, I added avocado too. I forgot to mention that, but it's so delicious. Okay guys, so it's been a couple hours and I'm hungry again, so I just made myself some eggs and toast. Technically this is like breakfast, but it's one of my favorite meals for just like the middle of the day. So it's just 2 pasture-raised eggs, mozzarella cheese, some hot sauce, and then this is actually I think it's Udi's, the gluten-free toast, which straight up, I don't really like it. It's not that great. But toasted, it's actually delicious, and just some grass-fed butter on there. So I'm gonna dig into that. Such an easy, balanced, delicious little meal. Hi. Hi. Okay, you guys. Hayden and I are gonna show you how to make the smoothie that I always make because we're about to have one. And I've definitely showed this before because it's super easy and not fancy at all, but it's delicious and it's an easy way to get in a bunch of fruit and some greens. Hayden loves it. We always share some. Hi. And it's really, really good. Hi. Hi. Thank you. Okay, you guys. This is kind of a weird angle, but this is how I was able to set up my camera. Okay, so first I'm using just these organic frozen berries. I get these at Costco. This is my favorite way to buy frozen berries for smoothies because it's just like the most economical, organic, and it's delicious. It's a mix of strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Next is just some kale. Any kind of green will work. Spinach and kale tend to be my favorites. This one is from Aldi, which is another really good place if you have one near you to get organic produce very affordably. Just this giant bag of kale, so we're gonna be throwing a bunch of that in there. And then the last thing is just the liquid. That's literally all I put in there, other than liquid. I use organic apple juice. I don't really like using nut milks in smoothies just because I just don't like the taste. So I prefer a fruit juice, even though it ends up being more sugar. Although this doesn't have any sugar added, it's literally just organic apple juice pressed from apples. It's not from concentrate or anything. I got this at my local grocery store. Alrighty, so we have our smoothies. This one's for Matt. Normally I give him a little more. I didn't pour these very well. But Hayden and I are gonna split the bigger one. Now I'm gonna give that little guy to Matt. Maybe I'll give him a little more. But these are our smoothies. Hayden's trying to grab the camera. They're so good, so good. And like I said, a really good way to get in lots of fruit and some greens all at once, especially for little kids. They love this. Okay guys, so I'm about to start cooking dinner. I think we're gonna do tacos for dinner tonight. Just super easy. We're gonna use ground turkey. I have tortillas for Matt, and I think I'm gonna do like a big taco salad for myself. But I'm basically just gonna saute up some peppers and onions, cook the turkey with like taco seasoning type spices, some avocado, salsa, cheese. We even have sour cream, and that's pretty much gonna be it. Okay, so turkey is all cooked and seasoned up. And then over here, I've got our peppers and onions. These are the tortillas that I buy. Most tortillas have honestly really terrible ingredients. It's literally like a novel of ingredients. And these really, these are like the best I've ever seen as far as store-bought tortillas. And they actually taste good. They don't taste, I just don't love the taste of tortillas. So these are the ones that I buy because the ingredients are way better and they actually taste good. Anyway, got some lettuce chopped up for tacos, but also I'm gonna make, like I said, a taco salad. And then we've got some mozzarella cheese, a little bit of mild salsa, and then some sour cream. Okay guys, so here's my salad. I just layered everything together. Looks so good, so we're gonna eat. Okay guys, so it's been a couple hours since dinner and I'm having a little snack before I go to bed. So this is the Siggy's Triple Cream Vanilla. This is my favorite yogurt ever. It's from grass-fed cows. They have a ton of different flavors. They're typically lower in sugar than other flavored yogurts, and they taste really good. And then on top here, I have some granola. This is my favorite granola. It's Honeycrisp apple pie. It seriously tastes like apple pie. It's so good. This company is really awesome. I have a discount code with them. It's just Becca20. You can get 20% off if you want to try it. But the ingredients are pretty good for granola. It's also like really food allergy friendly if you have any allergies. There's actually like 2 moms who started this company because their kids had food allergies and it was like really hard to find stuff that was safe for them that was fairly priced, so that's why they made it. Anyway, so I have a discount code if you want to check it out. But I just put this on top. It seriously tastes like dessert. It's so, so good. So I'm gonna have this. and then we're gonna be off to bed. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this What I Eat in a Day video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see from me next. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram because I love chatting with you guys over on there. But that's all I got. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.